Okay, 100.
Yeah. Okay ka daw. Okay.
Now where? This way.
This way. Straight.
Straight.
Go straight. I tell you.
God,
Mike is in the Philippines na.
he's in the rice paddy.
May gulay. Yeah. Look at me. Beautiful.
Good.
It's good. Yeah. Yay!
This way.
Mike so happy.
This way, that way.
This way, straight, just straight.
Where's your house?
Where's out at the at the end?
At the end?
Yeah,
Oh my
very, very long walk. Can I bring can I the one plastic of I can bring. Oh Mike, walk at the under the sun at the rice field here in Bicol.
Cheryl's trying to kill me.
He's sweating. You're gonna come on. Oh, look at me first.
I can't.
I can.
I don't want to fall in. I'll fall in the water.
We walk a lot for today's ganap. The rice field. My God. Mike's walk a lot today. Oh my God, it's good. It's hot. Oh, the wind. Wow. Look. You get it. You gain. You lose weight, my gulay. You're losing weight. Charan, charan.
This is the story of how Mike went to the Philippines
Yes.
and died
Yeah.
in the rice field.
This is the story of Mike who fell dying at the rice field. My God. Yeah. Beautiful walking under the sun. But Mike's, my God. Hot. So hot. We're going to my sister's home, so that's why we're walking at the rice under the sun. My goodness. And looks Mike. Good. Maybe it was your first time like this. First time like this.
Where are we going?
Straight.
Huh?
Straight.
Straight this way?
Yeah, this way.
My God.
My God.
Where's
Sure.
you living at?
At there.
Where?
There. Not yet. I'm not.
Where?
Not.
Over there?
Yeah.
There?
There. Yeah. There.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna die.
Mike gonna die. Sorry. Beautiful home like this, no? Relaxing.
Break time.
Break time. I can bring
This is
one.
beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Break time.
Okay.
Okay. I can bring the one plastics of bags. I bring the one plastic of bag. Beautiful.
Why you stop?
Because you stop. I can bring one bag.
Okay.
Okay.
Which one?
And
They're both same.
this one.
Okay, straight.
Straight. Go
This
straight.
way.
This way. Straight. Yes.
This way.
Just straight walk. Walk straight. Go straight. Don't don't move. Beautiful. Mike wants go to my sister's home. That's why he want to experience why I walk a lot. Walk a lot.
Where's her house?
No, it's just straight. I just tell you.
Straight.
Yes.
Over here.
Not. No. Yeah. Left.
He's coming.
No, it's fine.
Uh-oh. way. Down here?
Yeah, this way. Uh-oh. Okay, Aggie. Excuse me. No, I said to my, to the dog.
Take me out to the jungle.
Cheryl living in the jungle.
What happens with no water?
No water.
No water, the rice will die?
Yeah.
Look.
Look the little then. When I don't know how to. I don't know. Having irrigation here. So no need to put the water maybe. Left.
Huh?
Left.
I hope so. Going straight. I go straight. Where's our house?
Maybe 5 minutes more. Pagod na. Pagod na siya. Mike tired na. Go straight. Okay, Agi. Right.
Straight or left?
Right.
Right?
Right.
Which way?
Right.
That way?
Then go straight and then left.
Straight here or this way?
Yes.
Guess what?
Yes. Go straight, walk straight, and then the end left.
This way.
This way. Left the areas, that's right.
Where?
Go straight and
No
then
road.
the right.
No more room.
No more road. Right. Yes, that's it. Go straight and then left. Go straight and left. Left.
Left, right here.
Left. Here.
Here.
Yes, that's it.
My God.
My God. We're too close. And then right.
Huh?
Right. Right.
This way?
Yeah, this way, the bridge.
The bridge.
Yeah.
Go over the bridge.
And then left.
And then this
Left,
way.
left, left, left.
My God.
Oh my God.
Big.
Oh my God.
6 miles later. we're right there.
Ay, natawa talaga ako. My brother's rice field. Here, my sister.
Huh?
This is a rice field of my sister.
Where's your sister's house?
There.
There.
There. Yes. I'll never believe in love. It's easy to say it, but love. Uh-oh.
Wall's falling down.
Falling down. Be careful. Be careful. Yes. Dang, dang, dang. And then left.
Then what?
Left.
That way?
Yes, that way.
Into the woods?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Where?
Yeah, this. You need to, the bridge.
That's a bridge?
Yeah, another
Are you
bridge.
kidding me? Nah, that ain't good.
Not good.
No.
Maybe,
Here,
where?
hold them. I got an idea.
Okay.
You got them?
What?
Let's see.
Be careful. Oop. Oops. Be careful.
I don't want to lose my phone or nothing.
Up, up. Oh my God, I'm already.
Yeah, that won't hold me. I'm not a
Wait, wait.
One bag.
This is one bag.
Now which way?
The.
Huh? This way?
Sorry, tired na.
It's taking me to my death. I'm gonna bury you in the woods. Now where?
Yeah, that's Jan.
This way?
Yeah. Oh my God, Mike tired na. Maybe Sir Fred watching this. My God, what do you do? What you doing, sir? Yeah, go straight. Oops. Careful. Another bridge.
Over here?
Yeah, over there. Yep. Nakatinawa ako. Yes, that's my sister's home. Yeah, that's.
Right here?
Yeah. We're here. My sister's home. Oh, bless! Bless!
Piggies.
Yes, the pigs.
Oink, oink, oink. Little piggies. Nice.
Oh, bless na ka mo, bless. Thank you.
Ada si Grido na.
Ay, ada.
O, baka di yung pauna.
Oo, sige. Mike have pasalubang. You want ice? Ice?
For what?
You.
For what?
You.
I don't have nothing to drink.
You want to drink? Because I will.
Napigyan punta kami sin ano, sardina.
Ayay, may dara kami na ano, ang chicken.
Suruda. Ha?
May chicken ako na dara. Mike meets the pigs.
And the chickens.
The
Baby chickens.
chicken. Mike and Cheryl the pigs. And then the chickens. Ah, the little chicken. Ducks over there.
Oh, they got. Get walking at. Who's over there? What's over there?
We here na.
Oh.
Mike